Hi, I'm Chris from Brinson Marine, and I'm going to show you how to pair your LiftBoss remote with your LiftBoss motor. So first step is to determine what remote you have, and you'll see the newest generation is gray with black buttons, and the older generation is black with gray buttons, and even older generations are black with red buttons. So they'll pair in different ways. The newest generation, I'll show you, is simple. You just hold the light button on the remote, and then while you're holding it, just unplug from the power, turn the key, and it just resets the motor. Then while you're still holding the light button, just plug the motor back into power, and the remote should be paired, and you can see it works. And I can show you how to pair the older generations as well, which is just one less step really. So what you're going to do is just hold the up button on the remote, and then you're going to disconnect it from the power source, and then while you're still holding the up button, just plug the power source right back in, and it'll be paired, and it'll start going up by itself. And you won't need to do this normally unless you change the batteries or if you get a new remote with motor, and that's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. So as I mentioned before, you shouldn't need to reprogram your remote unless you change the battery or you get a new one that wasn't originally with your motor. So changing the batteries is very simple. On all of them, they're all attached the same way. The back, it's just these little tiny screws right here, and if you just use a small screwdriver, they come out very easily, and the back just pops right back off. You can see a battery right there. These ones take these wash batteries, these 2032s, and they're simple enough. All you gotta do is just pop them out. You can actually take this whole thing out right here, and just pop out the batteries right here, and just pop a new one right back in, and that's all you gotta do to that. And like I said, they're all attached the same way. They all pop off. This one has a different kind of battery, and you see this Duracell 27. Looks like a little tiny AAA battery, and you just pop that out just like your remote control for your TV, and just pop a new one right back in. It's as simple as that. And these gray and black ones, the newest generation, they have these batteries in them, just like the red one did. But some of these gray remotes do have the 27 battery in it, but they recently switched back to the 2032. So if you have a brand new one, it's most likely going to be this. But it's always good to just check and just open these up if you think your remote may be dead, and just check before you go and get the battery that you think you need for it. It's as simple as just taking those 4 screws out, and that's all there is to it.